We are VP.Start, the leading tech company in Cambodia and the market leader in our home market. We always offer advanced, reliable, cost-efficient technology at extremely reasonable prices. At VP.Start, not only do we have world-beating smart grid technology, we also offer smart city capability. So we offer your governments the ability to access data on a citywide level. So you can see the day-to-day management of your city on your computer screen. We offer you the insight to manage your city effectively and in a digital enhanced way. We want to introduce you to our latest home automation product. We offer you the ability to control your fans, your air conditioning and your lighting. With our AlienCheck, you are able to control all of these devices and instantly message all of your friends in one easy to use, simple app. VP.Start is proud to introduce our new cloud service product. This product allows your business to store its data on the cloud and gives you advanced analytics so you can have fresh insight into the way your business operates, and you can streamline decision making so you can reduce costs and improve efficiency. After being in business for 8 years and receiving really positive feedback from our clients, we decided to bring VP.Start to the world. In Cambodia, we have world-beating, highly advanced technological skills that we want to give to you. We feel our technology can go head-to-head with any of our competitors and at a much more cost-efficient price.